Hello there. So you want to know how you can cancel a PayPal payment? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So if your PayPal payment is still pending, then you can simply just head into your activity and just cancel it right away. There's going to be a cancel button. I currently don't have any transactions to show, so it's not right over here. It's a fairly new account. So once you simply go ahead and click on the cancel on the pending payment, it's just going to cancel right away. However, if you mistakenly sent it already and it's already received by the recipient, there's only two options to go through it. So first thing is going to be by requesting the recipient to send it back to you, or if it is a case of scam, or if it is a other problem where you can't contact the recipient and they are not willing to send it back to you, you can simply go ahead and click on report a dispute or report a problem right over here on the exact payment. And when you go ahead and do so, they will ask you what the problem is. You can simply go ahead and write it in words, and the PayPal support team is going to be in contact with you. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.